on. I know you can do it. Stupid wires will do anything but weld together. That's the one thing I want them to do. Oh. So basically what's wrong with it is that there's a solenoid that goes to the starter. That's gone. It is dead. It doesn't work. My solution: bypass it with a bunch of wires tied together. And it actually sort of works. Okay. I had it running for like 10 seconds earlier. Gonna put on some gloves and try it again. I mean, why not? Right? Give it a little tap for good luck. Alright, let's go. Throttle up, maybe that'll help. Come on! These wires are burning, they're not meant for this. I know you want to run. I know it. Maybe if I move this thingy. I don't know what it does, but I'm turning a thing, and hopefully it will make it work. Or maybe I could always remove the air filter. Alright. Gonna give it a few more tries. This thing has one more throttle speed. I don't know what it does, but we'll try that. Make sure the key's good. Oh, these wires are getting hot. That's not good. This thing doesn't like running much, does it? Ooh, yeah, that's hot. Gonna try. Maybe giving it a little bit of that. Trying to lodge the choke open. There we go. Choke is lodged open. Grabbing my hot wires. Where are they? There they are. Luckily I'm wearing gloves, but that won't protect me forever. Here we go. Undo what I did earlier with the thingy. I'm gonna leave it halfway. Let's see what that does. I have no idea what I'm doing. turns. No idea what I'm doing. More. Let's give it more. Ha ha ha. That seems to work better. More. Can't give it more. Take off the air filter. Because why not? Give it more, my wires more time to calm down. Screwdriver. Take off the air filter. It worked well with the air filter off before, so why not? There we go. Oh yeah, these wires are burning hot. I should not do this much longer. But I'm going to anyway, because content and because I want to. I really want to try and get this running and actually drive it around. But, I hope, maybe not, probably not. Probably only gonna be able to do this for only like 10 seconds again, but it would be cool to get it on video. Throttle. I have no idea what I'm doing. Slap it. Don't you want to work? Maximum throttle. Maybe that has something to do with it. I have no idea. That was worth it. That is fast. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to fully finish this.